Hi, I am traveling to Prague to attend the so-called GARRM conference, geological aspects on radon risk mapping. So I am shooting this video here from Arlanda Airport. You can see here an overview of the airport. So what we are going to do this week, we are going to have several discussions regarding geology, radon mapping, and probably the most important of everything is the atmosphere at this event. The atmosphere at this event is absolutely amazing. It's very different from other radon events. A lot of friendship, a lot of interesting discussions with the colleagues. So see you all in Prague this week. And yeah, for those of you traveling today to Prague, have a lovely trip. And please visit the booth of Radonova on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and attend also the European Radon Association workshop in Prague on Thursday the 21st. So see you, bye bye!